Welcome to this lesson on geometry basics. Today, we are going to explore the fundamental parts of a circle, specifically focusing on the radius and how it connects to the diameter. First, let's define what a circle actually is. It is a perfectly round shape. But mathematically, it is special because every single point on the edge is exactly the same distance from one specific point in the middle. That point in the middle is called the center. It acts as the anchor for the entire shape. When we measure anything regarding a circle, we almost always start from the center point. Now, if you draw a straight line from that center point out to the edge of the circle, you have created a radius. We use the lowercase letter r to represent it. It doesn't matter which direction you go. As long as you start at the center and end at the edge, the length will always be the same. Next, let's look at the diameter. The diameter is a straight line that goes all the way across the circle, from one edge to the other. However, there is one strict rule. It must pass directly through the center point. We represent this with the lowercase letter. Let's compare them side by side. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge. The diameter is the distance from edge to edge, passing through the center. You might notice that the radius looks like it is just half of the diameter. That observation is mathematically perfect. A diameter is essentially made of two radii joined together in a straight line. Therefore, the length of the diameter is always equal to 2 times the length of the radius. We can also look at it the other way around. If you know the total distance across the circle, which is the diameter, you can find the radius by simply cutting that number in half. The radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. Let's try a quick example. If we have a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters, what is its radius? Using our formula, we know the radius is half of the diameter. So, we divide 10 by 2, which gives us a radius of 5 centimeters. To wrap up, remember these key points. The center is the middle anchor. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge. The diameter is the distance all the way across through the center. And the most important rule, the diameter is always twice the size of the radius.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.